Owners of fleets consisting of pickup trucks will be able to replace them with electric alternatives almost painlessly. This conclusion was reached by the analytical company Geotab, which analyzed the daily mileage of such parks and compared them with data on the range of electric pickups. Geotab analyzed data on the use of more than 400,000 pickup trucks in the United States and Canada. Analysts found out that in half of the cases, the daily mileage of an average truck did not exceed 280 miles, and 76% of trucks never drove more than the declared range for electric pickups. Moreover, there is another advantage of electric cars. Gasoline and diesel pickups, as a rule, are characterized by high fuel consumption, the prices of which sometimes rise unexpectedly. The cost of electricity in the US is not only significantly lower, but also much more stable. As a result, it allows you to save both on expenses and to build more accurate financial plans. On average, electric cars are still more expensive than their diesel counterparts, but Geotab claims to have found the optimal scenario for their use in commercial fleets. The opportunity to pay off the purchase of an electric pickup appears in the event that it drives no more than its own range per day, and during the year enough to ensure a lower cost of ownership. According to analysts, 45% of pickups with internal combustion engines currently in use are operated under this scenario, based on a 7-year useful life. Among the advantages of electric pickups are also mentioned their more powerful power plants, more storage spaces, including the front trunk, and complete silence, which makes working conditions safer. As Geotab clarifies, only the Bollinger B2 has a range of less than 280 miles from the electric pickups that are already sold or are being prepared for market entry. The capabilities of other trucks, including, for example, the Ford F-150 Lightning Pro, Tesla Cybertruck and Rivian R1T, significantly exceed this threshold.